apologies was today is the last day as well as the last Sunday in January, and I saw this video circulating and I couldn't believe it. Now disclaimer, it's nothing really to see, it's more of what you're hearing, and I wanted to know more on the story, hence I didn't post it earlier on. However, confirmation from the Star as well as the Jamaica Gleaner, it is a hooting, can't say certain words on YouTube, so figure it out, in Trelawney, and this is exactly in the church, and it is captured live, like someone come in and I'm just lost word. Just have a listen and look for yourself. Guys, as I'm looking at the video, I noticed the Jamaica Observer released more information on the victim, and it reads: Trelawney, Jamaica, the police have identified the woman who was during the service at the Agape Christian Fellowship Church in Falmouth this morning as 51-year-old bank employee Andrea Lowe Garwood of Stonebrook address in Trelawney. Reports are that about 10:30, Lowe Garwood was participating in fellowship with the who was seated behind her, opened fire, hitting her multiple times. The reportedly escaped in a white Toyota along a motor car, leaving a cellular phone behind. Lowe Garwood was taken to the hospital where she was pronounced not here anymore. Certain words over here, like I'm gonna go over it because YouTube sensitivity, so I can't say certain words. So that mean uncle. Condolences to the family and thing. But what I'm seeing, I wonder what him just sit on behind her. Nobody never noticed no foul play or nobody not anointing no more for feel certain spirit, cause one thing could have pulled energy. Anyway, I really want to go deep into that. Again, my condolences to the family, friends, and to the church members who this definitely shook up, but I really know what's going on with Jamaica. One time when you come out to church, the moody evil got to church, but respect gone through the door. Alright, catch you guys in the next video. Alright.